Hey guys, and welcome to Project Diesel Eater. You guys have bugged me incessantly about putting this diesel into a tractor. Now, I do have one I want to put it into, except for first, I want to talk about the two options that most people usually would put one into. Then we're going to talk about what it is a redneck computer geek would put one into. First choice that most everybody immediately comes up with is a Sears Suburban. The reason being is because of the transmission in them having a side shaft pulley. Now, what's interesting about these Sears Suburbans and diesel swaps is that we really should blame Canada for this. Why should we blame Canada? Because for almost 3 to 4 years before any American YouTuber ever fearlessly decided to put a diesel into a Sears Suburban, Canadians were using water pump diesels, the 10 horsepower Yanmars that we're used to, in order to be able to repower these. It wasn't until almost 4 years later that finally an American YouTuber ended up putting one in. But we also have another choice. Alright, so next up, which has been done about 8 years or so as far as YouTube is concerned, would be this. This is a GT6000 made by Craftsman. Usually there would have been a Briggs & Stratton 18 horsepower opposed twin sitting where I am, and people turn them sideways to make pulling tractors. You also can put a diesel into one of these because yet again it is a side pulley 633 with a high-low in it. Now, this is the transmission I'm going to use for my build, but in true redneck computer geek fashion, I don't like doing what other people already do, so we're going to change it up this year and put a diesel into something I don't think anybody ever has. Alright, so, if you were a redneck computer geek and you wanted to do something different, what would you decide to put a diesel into? How about a weed eater? We're going to call it Project Diesel Eater. It's a vertical shaft motor. It's a vertical shaft transmission. All of it's coming out. We're going to redo the rear end with a 633 in it with our high-low. We're going to drop that diesel in. We're going to make sure we've got a transmission channel going through in order to put the belt in. We're going to redo all of it like they've never been done before. That's our project this winter. Have fun, guys.
Recording.
Alright. So... Shut up! Nobody likes you.
We heard you outside. You're loud.
Okay. Shut up! Would you give her some food so she'll shut up?